Stop!
31st and Ollie.
On the evening of Sunday, officers patrolling near Southwest 15th Street and South Harvey Avenue in Oklahoma City spotted a gray Chevy pickup truck with no tag lights. When they attempted a routine traffic stop, the 17-year-old driver had other ideas. And what followed was an 8-minute chase that tested just about every tool in the department's pursuit playbook.
Chevy 1060 Southwest 23rd Drive. He's taking off on it. Gray Chevy pickup. Partial tag is Robert David 427. Yeah, I'm going to be in pursuit coming up to a red. Yeah, I'm in pursuit. Just ran a red light south. On Southwest 23rd.
Your incident has been updated.
South on Broadway. Turn south on Broadway from Southwest 23rd. Turning east on Southwest 25th. We're in a stop sign.
Your incident has been updated.
Let's go south on Shields. South on Shields. Great pickup speeds over 74. Looks like he's setting up to go. It's still southbound on Shields. West on 29th.
Your incident has been updated.
Traffic charges, tag is Robert David Edwards, 632. South on Rock, about to crash out. Still south on Rock, passing Southwest 30th. Light traffic. Just went east. I think we're approaching dead end. You just went off road. Southwest 32nd road.
He's like in a ravine right now. He's still in the window. Alright, someone go to the opposite side. To the east, he's coming in like a river. Where are you at, Joel? We're in like the Broadway and 31st technically, to the east. He's coming down the river right now. A little pond. He's trying to make his way back up right now though.
Your incident has been updated.
You got some no, he's back on the road right now. They're gonna do a second now. Give me a second. I'll be easy on 29th now. I'll be leaving calling you.
Your incident has been updated.
I'm gonna keep talking to you going after this. We're only 45 miles per hour right now.
Your incident has been updated.
The teen immediately fled, running through multiple red lights and stop signs, driving the wrong way down a city street, and hitting speeds of 75 miles per hour on roads posted at 35 to 40 miles per hour. Officers attempted to end the pursuit twice, using tactical vehicle interventions, a maneuver designed to spin or disable a fleeing vehicle, but the driver kept going. During the second attempt, he rammed directly into an unmarked police car. It took a third TVI to finally bring the truck to a stop. The teen was taken into custody without further incident.
Hi, it's Ricky.
32nd. He's like in a ravine right now. He's still moving though. All right, someone go over to the opposite side, to the east. He's cutting in like a river.
Where you at, Jerome?
We're in like the Broadway and 31st technically, to the east. He's cutting down the river right now. A little pond. He's trying to make his way back up right now though.
Your incident has been updated.
You got some Santa Fe guys over here. Did he make it over to Santa Fe?
Nope, he's back on the road right now. About to come out to 29th. He's on two Hispanic males also. So give me a second. We're gonna be eastbound on 29th now. I'll be lead car calling it.
Are you TBI?
Your incident has been updated.
I'm not TBI, we need someone up here that is. We're only 45 miles per hour right now.
Your incident
Medium
has
traffic.
been updated.
And they're slowing down. We're gonna go northbound on Oklahoma from 29th.
Your incident
15's right behind you. I'm TBI.
Okay, we're gonna be coming out onto 27th, and we're gonna go westbound on 27th. Correction, eastbound on Shields, and they're the wrong way right now, so we're going 1022 it. I'll see if they get back on the right side in a second. Okay, they're back on the right side of the road now, so they're gonna be on 25th. We're gonna pick this thing back up since they're back on the right side. It looked like they had to go that way. 55 miles per hour.
25 minutes, 3rd TBI.
Okay, real passing Robinson right now. 55, medium traffic. Coming up to the red light. And they slowed down. We're going to be southbound on Hudson now. 15, go ahead and take the lead.
Okay, we're going to be coming back to 29th right now.
He's going west on 29th. He said no.
15, you go ahead and call it. Says you're number 1.
Let's go westbound on 29th. That's Walker. Light traffic, speeds 50.
Your
Hey there, one up
incident
here.
has been updated.
Dispatch, make sure Santa Fe knows, and if they're going to make sure they're monitoring on our channel if they're in the area.
They are.
Speeds 45. Took the TV out.
TBI, good TBI. Driver out of it. More information on that pursuit.
Your incident has been updated.
Southbound on Western, you lost the tire back.
Fluid tire, TBI, good TBI. Driving out of it.
Your incident has been updated.
Southbound on Western, we lost the tire back there. West on 23rd, or east on 23rd, it's not going to visit. Yeah, blue tire. TBI.
Second TVI. Pin it, pin it, pin it, pin it, pin it. God. They just rammed us.
They just rammed us.
I'll be one car. We're on Otley. We're gonna be northbound, passing 32nd now.
Hey, start aiming. It's 20 or 33rd in Chartel. We're out of it. 7:30, we do not need anything.
Stop!
What's your 20? What's your status? I will stop. 31st and Ollie. We'll take one capture up now. We still have another one, please.
The pursuit covered several miles and required 3 separate TVI attempts before it was over. A rare escalation that speaks to just how determined the teen was to avoid capture. He was arrested and is now facing charges related to the chase. The officer, whose unmarked vehicle was rammed, was not reported injured.